Hi, I've made a new version of the multi 8 weeks handout. So I hope you will like it. Um, let's go straight into the video. Now, again, you have to make a copy of this and allow access. It's exactly what you would do for the other, which you can find a video link on here to watch. And so let me just talk about what is different about this one. Now, this one, I've decided I will include the line manager. Who is the line manager? So this is actually taken from the holiday entitlement, which you copy and paste for me. So if their planner name do not match their workday name, this won't come up. It's not like a big deal because you know what floor you're working with anyway. And beside that, I will give you opportunity to set your own message up for the partner to see on their printout, as well as when the next partner will come in. So which means the way I've designed it is for you to print out a double sided, and then you could fold this in half if you want, and you can actually see when the partner will be in for the next 3 weeks. So it's double sided because normally when I actually do rotors or handout for people, I like to know when they're coming into work so I can actually give them the handout. Now, for you to customize and change um, this notice area, you go to admin and then you just choose the drop down and select your own message. So just now I've chosen a new partner welcome. So I would choose the another one, which is the partner working arrangement, which I copied from uh, some of the handout. So it will look like this. And then if you want to do your own for the new partner, read this. Okay, input new message on the drop down tab. Now let's just find the drop down tab. And all of this are where you can actually um uh I'll just do testing one. Yeah, this is where you actually input your new message. Now, like here, if you wanted to do a return within a cell, what you do is you click on control and then enter. Okay, control enter, and then you can actually carry on typing like this. Control enter twice I've done. So once you have done that, you can actually go to here and then select. And when you do that, you can actually have the entire um, uh, all 20 printout have what you actually um, set it up as. Yeah. So let me just go back to this one. It's quite straightforward. Again, you should hide the admin tab and print all of this out as double-sided. If you have any question, just watch these videos. And if you need to choose another date, go here and choose another date. I think it's pretty straightforward. What do you think? Let's just say you want to change some text here. Once you change some text in this particular area, you will need to reselect this so that it will update what you've changed. I thought I'd tell you that. Okay, well, you just try and make your own copy and um, try and work with it, really. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.